if you've got somebody in archery and you'd like them to be able to work on their form and being able to hold their bow, this is a great little product. Now let me show you a little bit about it. Now it does come in its own bag so that they can take it wherever they want, but this is more for exercising for them. So as you can see, you've got your foot feed that you can put this on. So you can put it down on your foot like so. And then you've got to be able to hold the bow up, and then you can set this to pull for your bow. So being able to show. Now, if you look at the very top of this, you'll see that there is a level. I'll just come to the front of it. Do you see the level? When you see that level, that's gonna allow you to be able to work on your muscles in your arm, to be able to control how you're holding your bow, as well as being able to give you a little bit of strength training with it. And then once you do that, you can just take it and set it up and hold it. And that is going to help you. Now, as you can see, I'm 6 foot, have a long arm span. But if you're gonna have this for a child or something, because it is designed for children, you can pull this through, set your lock right there, and then it locks it down. And it's the same thing here with this lanyard. You can take this, pull this in, and you can make this for a shorter person. So if you have somebody that is working on bow and you want to be able to keep their arm in shape for them to be able to do everything, even at the times when they're not being able to do their archery, then get you something like this.